On top of the key you will see a small lever. You have to pull it towards yourself, and this will allow you to slide off the back cover, so it slides off to the left when you do it, so it will be this way. Inside you will see the mechanical key, which you can remove. I will use the mechanical key to push on this clip in the corner. Now you can pull it off like this. This is the clip right here, and this is the slot. Right here you will see the battery cover. It's a CR2032 battery, and on two sides you will see small slots. I will use a small flat screwdriver, which will fit into the slot, and just twist. The cover is off, and inside you will see the CR2032 battery. You can use the same screwdriver to remove the battery, insert the new one. The plus has to face you. Reinstall the small cover, it snaps back in place. First I will reinstall the cover with this long clip. This way, clip goes in, and then you snap it back in place. Now we will reinstall the mechanical key. There is a slot for the pin right here. And now we will reinstall this cover. It goes in like this, and then you simply push it inside. The cover is back in place. The key is working, and our replacement is complete. Thank you guys for watching.